Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about GPSC Recruitment 2021. Here are the basic details. The organization name is Gujarat Public Service Commission, also called as GPSC. The position names are multiple, which are Gujarat Engineering Service under Civils category, Senior Drug Inspector, Assistant Professor, Associate Professor, Reader, Assistant Engineer, System Analyst, Senior Programmer, Estate Inspector, Law Assistant, Horticulture Supervisor, Sub-Fire Officer, Surgeon, Skin and VD Gynecologist, Anesthetist, Lecturer, Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner, Assistant Director, Joint Sanitary Commissioner, Junior Superintendent by Director, Additional Chief Town Planner, Senior Town Planner and Professor. The total number of vacancies are 492. The starting date will be from 2nd of February and the closing date will be on 17th of February. You can apply through online and your job location will be in Gujarat. Here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further information. Moving on to the education requirement. For the post of Gujarat Engineering Service under Civil category, it is BE or a BTech for Civil branch, Senior Drug Inspector a degree, Assistant Professor MD or an MS or MDS, DNB or MCH, Associate Professor or Reader, it's MD, Assistant Engineer under Civil category, BE or a BTech by Civil branch, Assistant Engineer Mechanical, BE or a BTech from a Mechanical branch, Assistant Engineer Electrical, BE or a BTech from Electrical branch, Estate Officer BE or a BTech under Civil branch. For Biologist, degree in Science. For Designated Officer, degree or post-graduation. Zonal Officer, any degree is qualified. Public Relation Officer, degree or a post-graduation. Law Officer, your degree in law is verified. And Health Officer, MBBS. Additional Assistant Engineer, Diploma or BE or BTech under Civil branch. Additional Assistant Engineer Mechanical, Diploma, BE or BTech Mechanical. Additional Assistant Engineer Electrical, Diploma, BE, BTech or Electrical. Office Superintendent or Vigilance Officer, any degree is eligible. For the post of Office Superintendent or Vigilance Officer, any degree. Assistant Labor Officer, degree or a post-graduation. For Electronic Data Processing Manager and System Analyst or Senior Programmer, for both of these posts, it's BE or BTech or CA Computers. For Estate Inspector, it's Diploma in Civil, Law Assistant degree in Law, Horticulture Supervisor, degree in Agriculture or Horticulture, Auditor and Accountant, degree or any post-graduation, Assistant Entomologist, degree in Science, Food Inspector or Food Safety Officer, graduation or post-graduation, Sub-Fire Officer, graduation. For a Surgeon, MS. For Skin and VD, for Gynecologist, for Anesthetist and Pathologist, for all of these posts, the qualification is MD, DNB or PGD. For Lecturer in Nursing, MSc in Nursing. For Joint Commissioner, for Deputy Commissioner and Assistant Commissioner and Assistant Director, for all of these posts, any post-graduation is eligible. Joint Charity Commissioner, graduate in Law. For Superintendent, it is graduation. For Director, it is BE graduate. For Additional Chief Town Planner and Senior Town Planner and Town Planner, for all of the Town Planner related posts, it is BE or post-graduation degree or a diploma. For a Professor, it is MS, MD, DM or an MCH or DNB. The vacancy details are as follows. For each of the post or the vacancy, the number of the post will be differing. So for the post of Gujarat Engineering Service Civil, there are 61 vacancies. For Senior Drug Inspector, there are 6. For Assistant Professor, 113. There are only 2 vacancies for Associate Professor or Reader. There are 169 for Assistant Engineer under Civil branch, 3 for Assistant Engineer Mechanical and 9 for Electrical. There is only 1 vacancy in each of the posts for Estate Officer, Biologist, Designated Officer and Zonal Officer. Public Relation Officer and Law Officer also we have each 1 vacancy as per the number mentioned here on the screen. For health officer, that's 5. For additional assistant engineer, there are 10. For additional assistant engineer mechanical, there are 3, and the rest, which are additional assistant engineer electrical, office superintendent or vigilance officer, labor officer, electronic data processing, for system analyst. For all of these vacancies, we have 1 each in each of the post. For estate inspector, there are 2. For law assistant, 1. For horticulture supervisor, 2. For auditor and accountant, 3. For assistant entomologist, there are 2. For food inspector and food safety officer, there are 2. Sub fire officer, there is 1. For surgeon, 2. For skin and VD, 1. For gynecologist, 3. Same for anesthetician as well. Pathologist, again we have 1. For lecturer, there are 9. For joint commissioner, 1 is the same for the deputy commissioner as well. There are 7 for assistant commissioner. Again, 1 vacancy per each in assistant director and joint charity commissioner. 12 for superintendent, and again for director and additional chief town planner, we have 1 in each of the vacancy. For senior town planner, there are 7. Town planner, there are 13. For professor, there are 23. So in total, we have 492 vacancies. Moving on to the age limit. The minimum age should be 20 years and the maximum age limit is 35 years of age. The selection process, the officials are going to conduct a written test or an interview. The pay scale will be between 30,000 to 1,40,000 per month according to the post that you will be getting. The application fees for general OBC EWS category, it is rupees 100, and there is no fees for SC, ST, PWD and ex-servicemen. Here is a link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well, so you can check it out and get the direct access of the link, and further you can apply to the desirable and eligible post as you like. Further, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.